Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to send personalized mass emails via Gmail automatically, with and without an attached document. With Sheetgo, you can create a mail merge from a spreadsheet and send personalized emails to multiple recipients automatically and choose to automatically attach a document. We'll take a look at a very interesting use case. I'll show you how to get purchase orders approved by a manager as well as how to create and send purchase orders to multiple recipients automatically. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with our source file. In this Google Sheet, we'll find all these different tabs: suppliers, orders, approved orders, and received orders. You can send emails directly from the spreadsheet. In our case, we want our POs approved by a manager. I'll create a new connection from the source file and select email as the destination. Then I'll select the source file and the tab. Now I'll select custom recipients because I want to add the email of my manager only. I can also add carbon copy or blind carbon copy recipients if I want. Here I'll edit the subject line and the email body using smart tags to personalize the message. These smart tags are the column names of my source spreadsheet. I'll send all the details about the purchase order by email. With the smart tags, Sheetgo will automatically import data from the spreadsheet and personalize the message. As you can see, I've added all the relevant details: the supplier information, the product description, the quantity, the unit price, the total amount, and so on. By pressing the action button icon, I can add a clickable button with a link. You can change the button text and add a clickable link. In this case, I want my manager to come back to the spreadsheet to approve or reject the POs. If I enable this feature, Sheetgo will add a column to identify which emails have already been sent, and it will only send emails for the new entries. If you want to remove formatting, all you have to do is check the plain text mode box. This will clear all text formatting automatically. This is a great option if you want your emails to look like they are being sent from your inbox. You can press Save now to finish creating the connection. You have just created a workflow to send personalized mass emails via Gmail. If the PO is approved, I want to send it to the supplier. Let's go back to the source file to generate the approved purchase orders and send them to our suppliers automatically. I've already created this workflow called purchase order emails to generate all the documents, using the smart tags like in the previous email. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to generate documents from a spreadsheet automatically with Sheetgo, check out the videos in the description below. Now, I'll create a connection to send these documents via Gmail automatically. Let's just open the workflow. I'll edit my workflow and add a new step after generating the documents. Here, you'll select a destination. Click Email to send the purchase orders via Gmail. I'll add the files as attachments, and I'll get the email addresses dynamically from a column. Now I can edit the subject line and email message. I can also add smart tags to personalize the message. Under Advanced Settings, you can group files by recipients. By enabling this feature, Sheetgo will send a single email for each recipient if there are multiple files for the same email address. After you customize the message to your liking, click Finish and Save to create the connection. Sheetgo will automatically attach the purchase order and send it to all the recipients individually. If you want to make your workflow fully complete, you can add forms for robust data input. Learn how Sheetgo forms work from the videos in the description below. Now you can click Run whenever you want to run the workflow and generate emails. I'll click Automate because I want to schedule automatic transfers. You can transfer your data based on a schedule, on a form submission, or on a workflow run. I'll select Based on a schedule. Now select how often you want to transfer your data: multiple times a day, daily, or monthly. Then click Save to schedule the automatic transfers. There you have it. Sheetgo has created personalized emails using data from my spreadsheet. That's how you can send personalized mass emails automatically using Sheetgo. Check out our other videos. Subscribe to our channel or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.